Hi, today I'm going to show you how to start a meeting in Google Meet. It's a very simple thing to do. In my humble opinion, it's much easier than in Zoom. All we have to do is go to Google website and type in the search query Google Meet. And the first link is a link to the official Google Meet site, meet.google.com. Click on it, or you can also write google.com/meet. It's the same. You will go to that site if you don't want to search for it. We need to log into our Google account. I think you won't have any problems logging in because I think anyone already has a Google account. At least if you use YouTube, you have a Google account. Then click on New Meeting and select Create a meeting for later. Here is the link to our meeting. Copy this link and send it to people you want to meet with. You can use it later, or you can use it now. Paste it and press Enter. Camera is starting. So what's interesting here? Here we can give access to the microphone or to the camera for Google Meet. We can change the background. For example, I can blur my background or select any background what you want. For example, this. You can select the audio and video settings and change the camera and microphone. After you set your meeting, press Join Now. It's set to have a dialog alone, so we have a link to add participants. Copy it and share it via any messenger, so the person follows this link and gets to this room. What else can we do to prepare the conference? Let's choose a background that's more congenial, for example this. There is also a button to add participants here. Click on it. Here you can add people with whom you have already communicated before, for example by Gmail. But the link method is the most universal. Using the same link you can start the conference another time. That is, you don't need to create a conference every time. You can copy this link and use it to enter this room if, for example, you have a conference another time. We can mute the microphone here, we can mute the camera, we can send emoji, we can raise our hand when we want to be given access to the microphone, and we can share our screen. We can share the Chrome tab, the window, or the entire screen. We also have an additional menu here, and of course the Leave Call button. Let's wrap up the conference and let's create a new meeting one more time. Return to home screen. Now we are not just going to create a meeting from the link, we are going to schedule it in Google Calendar. We can name it whatever we want, like a very important meeting. Choose the date we want this meeting to take place. We and other participants will be reminded of this meeting in Google Calendar. Here we can see the setting for how long we want to receive this notification and click Save. That's it, we now have a meeting scheduled in our calendar. We can open it at any time from our computer or cell phone and change the time of the meeting, for example. And we can join with Google Meet here or copy the link to it and share it with any participant as well. Another option to create a meeting is to start an instant meeting. We immediately start the meeting without camera or microphone settings, and the link to the meeting is also there or there. So you shouldn't have any problems with Google Meet. I think it's a pretty simple app compared to other conferences I have used. So like, subscribe. I wish you success, good luck, and all the best.